In this video I'm going to take a look at an individual integral. We're going to take a look at that integral of e to the x over the quantity 1 minus e to the x quantity squared dx. Now this is going to turn out to be just basically a straightforward u substitution. So I'm going to look for that inside part of the function, and that's where I'm going to let my u be. So I'm going to start with let u equal 1 minus e to the x. Then I'm going to take the derivative of both sides. Du is going to be equal to a negative e to the x dx. And then if I go ahead and solve all the way down for dx, I will have a du over a negative e to the x is equal to dx. Coming up here to that original integral, we're going to do some substitutions now. Alright, the e to the x will stay there. I'm going to substitute the 1 minus e to the x for my u, so I'll have a u squared right there. Substituting dx for what I said it was going to be equal to, I'll have a du over a negative e to the x. That's going to allow me to cross out those e to the x's, and in the next step then I can pull that negative out in front of my integral. So I'll have negative the integral 1 over u squared du. I'm totally in terms of u now, so I can start to integrate this. I need to first take this and move it up to the top and make it a negative 2. So I'll have negative integral u to the negative 2 du. I can now actually integrate this by adding 1. So I'll have the negative there that's out in front. And then let's put this inside brackets so that when I integrate here, I'll have a u to the add 1 there. We'll make it a negative 1 and a negative 1 in front plus c. I've got the negative that was originally there, the negative from the integration. So negative times negative is going to make this positive. And this is a negative exponent, so we want to move it to the bottom. So I'm going to have a 1 over u plus c. And then for a final step, replacing that u with what I originally said it was going to be equal to, 1 over 1 minus e to the x plus c. Alright, so definitely just a straightforward u substitution here that you would be doing right at the beginning, right after you've learned your integrals. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.